Oh, I live in Lincoln. There was a blood moon which I've caught on video on my YouTube.
Hello, you're through to accounting. How can I help?
Hi, just to let you know, to the left of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall yesterday in the south, 11:06, there was a blood moon. Just after I contacted the governing body 5 and the 24 helpers by email. Now, what do you say to that? And it's on video.
Sorry, is this accounting related?
No, I'm Jehovah, but you know that anyway. Do you want to write down Jehovah, or are you going to put the phone down on me again?
Okay.
Because that's what they always do, sister. They always put the phone. Why did they put the phone down on Jehovah? Is it the Israelites, the stiff-necked people, and their hard as iron? Is it all being done out again? Are you going to listen to Jehovah, or do I have to take action? Because you're being recorded, and I'll come for you. So please listen if you know what's good for you. I'm not against you, right? I'm not against you, sister, but you must listen. Flipping believable.
Good morning, LVC.
Hi, just to let you know, I'm from Lincoln, the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses in the west. Now, 11:06 in the south last night, there was a blood moon, and I've got it on video. Just 1 hour 40 minutes after I contacted 5 of the governing body, 24 helpers. What do you think, sister? Now you're going to put the phone down because I'm Jehovah, and you won't like it, will you?
Thank you very much.
Here we go. Unpredictable, you. Oh, I'm from Lincoln. I used to attend the Kingdom Hall at on Birchwood, Lincoln. That's in the west. Now, at 11:06 last night, I witnessed and recorded a blood moon, and that was after I contacted the 5 governing body members by email and the 24 helpers to warn them that I was about to take over. Now, why would you get a blood moon? By the way, sister, I'm Jehovah, and what you'll do now is put the phone down like everyone else, won't you? Sister? Oh. I am Jehovah, right? Write down Jehovah and then write my name JEHOVAH'S underneath. Put the 2 CCs up into OG and read it backwards and it's JEHOVAH'S. I'm Jehovah. Luke 1:37, sister. Nothing's impossible for God. So what's your problem? What? Oh, you into sexual sins? Is that what it is, sister? Oh, love it.
Good morning, technical support.
Hi, I live in Lincoln. I used to attend the Birchwood Kingdom Hall in Lincoln. Do you know it?
Not personally.
Oh, right. Anyway, what happened was I went outside last night, and that's in the west. In the south, there was actually, and recorded on video, which is very interesting, a blood moon. And you know in Joel 2:30 when it says, "I will show you wonders in the heavens and on earth below." Yeah.
Yeah.
And basically, I just I've infiltrated the email system of the Watchtower, and the governing body got 5. I sent them 5 emails and 24 to the helpers, right? And this is 2 hours 14 minutes after I sent them. The last one was actually rumph, which means stump. So it's Daniel chapter 4 about cutting down the tree, and that was at 8:25, the last email. And the 825 chapter of the Bible, is Daniel chapter 2 about the statue, which is all the committees. Brother, I'm not telling lies. Thank you for listening. I'm Jehovah, by the way. And Luke 1 verse 37 that says, "Nothing is impossible for God." Do you believe that? Brother? I'm tired. Brother, are you listening? Oh, God. These people are mentally diseased. They call the apostates mentally diseased, and you're just doing the same thing. It's crazy. The apostates are the actual prophets of God, though. Bye for now. Have a nice day. Watchtower's going down.
Hello, Bethel office.
Hi, brother. You all right?
Doing well, thank you.
Ah, good. So much. Brilliant day. Just to let you know, I'm not a Jehovah's Witness now, but I used to attend the Birchwood Kingdom Hall in Lincoln. You know it?
I don't know.
Well, anyway, I was outside last night. That's in the west. Now, I stood on the wall in the south and I caught it on video. Do you know Joel 2:30, which says, I'll show signs in the wonders in the heavens and on earth? Well, there was an actual blood moon and it was really blood. My friend Trish saw it. And that was after I contacted the 6 governing body members and 24 helpers, brother. So what's that say? By the way, I'm Jehovah. How'd you like that? And what you'll do now, like everybody else has done, you'll put the phone down because you're scared. Watchtower are down and crippled. I've just contacted over 100 of the legal teams, brother, with a link. Hey, that's Jehovah for you. What do you think to that? Oh, brother, and there was also... Are you still there? Brother? Are you still there or not? No, yes, answer. Oh, gold. These are mentally ill, satanic. Are you listening, brother? God, stupid people like flipping Stepford wives.